Hey guys, it's Zoe and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this wig from Asteria hair. I'm going to take you from start to finish on how I got this melted lace skin look. I'm going to let you know all my thoughts and show you guys how I styled the wig. If you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching and I will see you guys in a second.
Are you ready? I know you see me standing here.
So jumping right into the unboxing, like I said, this wig is from Asteria hair. And guys, the packaging, please, why is it giving Gucci box? Like the texture, everything, like the box, the packaging was amazing. This is the stuff I got inside of the bag. I got a little satin bag, a HD wig cap, some lashes. I also got a edge brush comb thing and a melt band. So I got this wig in 200% density, 24 inches, and it is HD lace. And guys, when I tell you it's HD lace, I even have to laugh because, like, you know it's serious when you can barely even see the lace straight out of the packaging. Like, look at that hairline. Please actually sit here and deep it with me. This is how it looks straight out of the box. The knots even came pre-bleached, guys. Like, I literally went to the shop and bought some bleach before I opened this box because I usually have to bleach all my knots, but like, guys, it was giving pre-bleached, pre-plucked, everything. And this is what the hair looked like. It came pre-curled as well. The curls were absolutely beautiful. Here's me just brushing and combing through them. I need to know what hair color they used for this because my curls don't be looking like this. Please, like, Asteria hair team, like, let me know what hair color you're using. There was lots of parting space as well, which is absolutely amazing. I did decide to go ahead and bleach the knots just for like literally 15 minutes, that's it, because as I parted the hair back, I noticed the knots were slightly a little bit too dark for me. This is completely optional because, like I said, it came pre-bleached. So if you're a beginner at wigs, this is a great option for you because you don't need to do much. It already comes pre-bleached, and yeah, but I just decided to go that extra mile just to make it look like scalp. So this is what it looked like once I washed the bleach out. Absolutely love it. You can't even see the lace on my mannequin head. I am sick, please. But yeah, here is what the lace looked like before I went ahead and plucked it. This is also a before, but as you can see, it's already looking a bit plucked over here. But I really wanted kind of like an over plucked look. It took me 5 minutes to pluck this hairline, guys. Okay, maybe not 5. I'd say like 10 minutes to pluck this entire hairline. And I had to stop myself because I was scared that I was going to over pluck it. That's how easily and thin the knots were. It was coming out super easily. So this is what it looked like once I finished plucking and hot combing the hairline, and I'm absolutely obsessed with how it looks. Moving on to the install, here is me, bald cap ready. I did go ahead and straighten the hair after I washed it. It straightened really nicely, really silky. This hair is also really jet black, guys. Like, it's dark, like dark. I usually like to dye my black wigs like jet black, but this one didn't need it. I quickly went ahead and grabbed some micellar water. You can also use alcohol, and I just cleaned my hairline where I'm going to glue down the wig just so that it lays as flat and nicely as possible. I went ahead and tinted the lace with my foundation color, which is the Born This Way foundation in the shade Spiced Rum. You can use any old foundation. I'd recommend using one that you don't care about. And I just pressed this into the hairline with my kabuki brush. Once that is done, it should look something like this. And I then went ahead and popped the wig on. I'm just making sure that everything is laying correctly. And as you can see, I was impressed, guys. Like, my face says it's all. This lace is skinny. Like, please, this is the skinniest lace I've worked with. Anyway, I went ahead and adjusted it to my hairline and then cut off the excess lace on either side of my head, ears, whatever. And here's a little close-up of what it looked like before I cut the lace. You know it's serious when it's already looking like this before you cut the lace. Like, please. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair back and then grab my scissors and just cut these little slits into the lace. to help make gluing down easier. This wig was a little bit too small for me, and I find that when this happens, using this clipping the hair in little sections method really helps to glue it down correctly to your hairline, because otherwise it's just like it won't fit correctly. I don't know if that made sense, but yeah. Anyway, for the glue, I'm using my Better Than Melt wig glue from Hair by Kelly, and I'm just taking a little light colored eyebrow pencil, eye pencil, and just marking where I want the lace to start. This helps me to not glue it down super low, so that I have like a 2 head instead of a 4 head. So I started using this method recently, and it really helps me lay down the wig according to my hairline. I applied about 3 to 4 layers of this glue because I wanted this to last throughout the week, and then pressed it down once the glue was completely clear. I always use my rat tail comb to press down the lace, just because I find it really helps adhere everything. And then I also use my hot comb straight after, because I feel like the heat helps to melt everything in together. So yeah, I just repeated this technique all the way around my head until all of the sides were completely glued down. Once I've got all the hair glued down, I'm now going to grab my Got To Be hairspray, and I'm just spraying it on this little section on the edges of my hair, because they always lift super quickly. So yeah, guys, look how excited I am, please. Anyway, once I've got that secured and everything's glued to my head, I'm grabbing not 1 but 2 melt bands, and I'm tying them as tightly as humanly possible. If your ears aren't aching, that means it's not tight enough. I really wrapped them around my head because I want the lace to be perfect on this unit. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and decide on my parting. This is my inspo of today's wig. I wanted a side part arrogante kind of moment, so I went ahead and did a deep side parting. And to secure this part, I grabbed my wax stick and a medium hold hairspray, and I'm just gonna section my hair off into small sections. As you can see, I did it there. I'm gonna use the wax stick first and then spray the hairspray on top of that, and then grab my preheated hot comb and slowly pressing down onto that little section. This is the technique I use to get my wigs as flat as possible. I always do this on my mannequin head first, but today I decided to do it on my head so I can really show you guys how this works and the difference it makes in styling. If you want a flat wig, this is the method you need to use. So it's wax stick, then hairspray, and then a super hot comb. So I did that all the way throughout the parting. I took super small sections to really make sure I got that product distributed into the hair. And I also went over the hairline a little bit, as you can see I'm doing here. Once I've flattened and parted the hair, I'm going to go ahead and take the wig bands off and let my head breathe, because I was getting the maddest headache, guys. It's not a joke. Just zooming you guys in here, I'm grabbing my eyebrow razor and I'm going to start cutting away the lace. Every time I cut the lace, I'm going to go ahead and grab my leftover foundation brush powder thing, and I'm going to go over the hairline on the section that I just cut, just to help blend everything a little bit more. I'm just repeating this technique throughout the hairline. I always use my eyebrow razor, as I've always said. If you don't have an eyebrow razor for your installs, get one. It makes the biggest difference ever, trust me. This is what the hairline looks like after, and guys, I just can't deal with this wig. It's so nice. Like, I don't know what they put in this hair. I don't know who, why, where, when. I have no words. It's just amazing. So this is like what it looks like when it's completely straight, by the way, just so you can get a little perspective. I went ahead and just cut the front of the wig a tiny bit, just because I wanted it to frame my face a bit more when it was curled. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like when it's completely straight, if that's more your vibe. Love this look, but I do love a good bombshell curl. So I went ahead and parted the wig and then used my Lulabelle's 2-inch curler, 1.5-inch curler, and just curled each section before grabbing a crocodile clip and clipping the hair up. Once I clip the hair up, I'm also grabbing my hairspray and just spraying each section as I go along. I also allow my hair to completely cool down before I start taking them out. And as you can see, I'm really drenching the hair in hairspray, guys. Like, I really want these curls to last. I let this sit for about 10 minutes and then started taking the curls out. This is my favorite part of all installs. Like, it's just so satisfying seeing the curls just bounce and like the body and the shine. I then went ahead and fluffed the hair up, tipped my head upside down. I really wanted to get some volume and really have these waves, these curls become waves. So I really played around with how it sat. Here I'm on FaceTime to my man and I'm literally just telling him like, look at my hair, babes, like, where are we going tonight? Because I need to go somewhere looking like this. I decided not to add any baby hairs, and I'm glad I didn't because it really shows off this hairline, guys. Like I said, it's 24 inches, HD lace, stunning, stunning, stunning. Look at that hairline. Like, I know I sound like a hype man right now, but I can't hype this hair up enough. It's so shiny, so beautiful, and I'm obsessed. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.